Hello friends, today's topic 5,000 monthly pension for poor people. Forward this to all. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. The Indian government announced the Atal Pension Yojana to help create a universal social security system for all Indians, especially the poor and the underprivileged. It was announced in the budget for 2015-16. Atal Pension Yojana was launched on 9th May 2015, implemented with effect from 1st June 2015. In the Atal Pension Yojana, the investors can contribute a very small amount of money on a monthly, quarterly or half-yearly basis to receive a minimum guaranteed pension after the age of 60. It has been specially designed for people of lower income groups and unorganized sector so that they can save some money and surely receive a pension during their old age. As of now, more than 7 crore people have enrolled in Atal Pension Yojana. The government is aware that the financial discipline is lacking among large number of people and especially so in low income groups such as maid servants, carpenters, plumbers, electricians or any other people working in an unorganized sector. Although it has been in existence for more than 9 years, the awareness about this scheme is extremely low. Following are the main details of Atal Pension Yojana and then it is called APY. The purpose of the video is to make this information available to all people in the society and kindly make this video as viral as possible. Benefits of Atal Pension Yojana. Number 1. Central government guaranteed minimum pension. Each subscriber, investor under APY shall receive a central government guaranteed minimum pension of rupees 1000 per month or 2000 per month, 3000 per month or 4000 per month or 5000 per month after the age of 60 years until death. The interest rate for the Atal Pension Yojana is currently 8% per annum. 2. Central government guaranteed minimum pension amount to spouse after the subscriber's demise, that is investor's demise. The spouse of the subscriber shall be entitled to receive the same pension amount as that of a subscriber until the death of the spouse. 3. Return of the pension wealth to the nominee of the investor. After the demise of both the subscriber and the spouse, the nominee of the subscriber shall be entitled to receive the pension wealth as accumulated till the age of 60 years of the subscriber. Suppose the investor passes away before the age of 60, the spouse of the investor has the option to continue contributing to the API account or the investor for the remaining period till the original investor would have attained the age of 60 years. The spouse of the investor shall then be entitled to receive the same pension amount as that of the investor until the death of the spouse. Eligibility for APY. APY is open to all citizens of India who have a savings bank account. The minimum age of joining APY is 18 years, maximum age is 40 years. From 1st October 2022, any citizen who is or has been an income tax payer in the past is not eligible to join APY. The age of start of pension is 60 years. The subscriber's contribution to APY shall be made through a facility of auto debit of the prescribed contribution amount from the savings bank account of the subscriber in monthly, quarterly or half-yearly frequency. The investors are required to contribute the prescribed contribution amount to the age of joining APY till the age of 60 years. Following are the monthly contributions to be made for various pension amounts based on the age. We have mentioned only the monthly contributions, but the investors can make quarterly or half-yearly investments too, depending on their convenience. Monthly contributions of APY till the age of 60. Return of corpus for the nominee, age is 24, 1.7 lakhs, minimum 1000 rupees per month pension, you have to invest 70 rupees. If you are 27-year-old, you have to contribute 90 rupees per month. Going further, if you are 29 years old, you have to contribute 106 per month. If you are 32 years old, 138 per month. And if you are 35-year-old, 181 per month if you have to get 1000 rupees pension at the time of 60 years. Going further, the investor is 36-year-old, 198 rupees you have to pay every month if you are 40 years old, you have to pay 291 per month. Now that was the minimum pension of 1000 rupees a month. Now let me describe the minimum 5000 per month pension. If your age is 24, you have to contribute 346. If your age is 28, you have to contribute 485. Return of corpus to nominee 8.5 lakhs. If your age is 29 and the minimum per month 5000 you must receive as a pension, you have to pay 529 per month. If your age is 35, then you have to pay 902. If the age is 36, 990. If the age is 40, the minimum 5000 per month pension if you have to get, you have to pay 1454 per month. The management of funds under APY is as per the investment pattern specified by government. Individual investors will not have any options to choose. The contributions collected are invested and the funds are managed by pension funds, SBI pension fund, LIC pension fund, UTI retirement solutions, etc. What is the procedure for opening APY account? Visit the bank branch, post office where your savings bank account is held, or open a savings bank account in bank or post office if you don't have one currently. So a savings bank account, post office savings bank account is mandatory for joining APY. Suppose a person is a non-taxpayer today and becomes a taxpayer in the future after starting APY, can such an investor continue with APY? The customer should not be an income tax payer on the date of making an application registration under APY. If on a later date he or she becomes an income tax payer, then there shall not be any effect on their APY account. They can continue their APY account and contribution to it for availing of benefits provided under the scheme. If a person has income which is under non-taxable bracket, then he will be eligible to subscribe to APY. The subscriber is a taxpayer, but his or her spouse is not a taxpayer. Spouse can invest in APY as long as they satisfy the other eligibility conditions. Aadhaar number is not compulsory for starting of Atal Pension Yojana. However, it is desirable to furnish proof of possession of Aadhaar number or undergo enrollment under Aadhaar authentication. Aadhaar details are expected to be submitted in due course of time, if not submitted the time of enrollment. How many APY accounts can one person open? An individual can open only one APY account. Multiple APY accounts are not permitted. However, all the eligible family members of the investor falling under the age bracket of 18 to 40 years can open their individual APY account. A minor cannot open an APY account. What will happen to APY account in case of non-contribution? An APY account never gets closed due to non-payment of contributions to the investor. The investor can regularize his or her account at any point of time by paying contributions for the overdue period along with the overdue interest. Whether exit from APY is permitted before 60 years of age. Voluntary exit under APY before 60 years of age is permitted. The subscriber shall only be refunded the contributions made by him along with the accrued income earned on his contributions after deducting the account maintenance charges. Suppose the investor passes away before the age of 60 years, the nominee can continue investments, or if they want to withdraw, the accumulated pension wealth till date would be given to the nominee. Here is an announcement. ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲ್ ಫಂಡ್ಗಳಿಂದ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಲಾಭ ಗಳಿಸುವ ವಿಧಾನಗಳು. ಒಂದು ಚರ್ಚೆ. ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಲೈವ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ 18 December Wednesday at 9:15 p.m. on Dr. Bharath Chandra Institute Kannada channel. What is the taxation of pension account? Pension account is taxable as per the tax slab for the individual depending on his or her total income. Share this video with all people so that awareness of this scheme increases. Encourage the people who support you regularly, such as maid servant, carpenter, plumbers, etc., to start investing for their future pension. It will create some discipline and financial planning in them. End of the video, here is the question. Who do you think can benefit from the scheme among the people you know? Type in the comment section. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and all the best.